Hey, it is another 4th of July with Doris. Again, Doris still alive over here. And Guppy is busy. Tending is really busy now. Uh, and again, before we start, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and my IG, Naked Mixology, my Facebook page. And this is another 4th of July. Still at the window, so that's good. So everybody's preparing for tonight over here. Doris is preparing for decoration and everything. And we have live band gonna play tonight, the High Tide. So over here, I'm gonna show you. See, Doris is busy right now.
Yeah,
Always busy. Remember those days, Antonio. Now Doris. Doris is the queen. So here, look at this. The original Caribbean queen is gone long time ago, Sandra. And the beach over here. So that's the beach. So this could be what's happening tonight. Happy 4th of July. Hey. Over here. Yeah. You gotta be.
happy 4th.
Alright, happy 4th. Hey. Happy 4th of July. This is gonna be in the YouTube. On the web. Hey. Alright. No shots? No shots.
Not right now.
Not right now. Okay, good.
There you go. You never know what you're missing till you try. I'll keep you satisfied if you stay. Won't you save me for love? Save me for more. Want to be with me? Save me for my love. Save me little. Reach me home again. Keeps my feet on the grass. Alright. On your kiss, baby, on your lips, my mind, sweet and hot, touch the sky, I'm getting high, I'm getting high on life.
These are my favorites. Sorella sticks, blanket. You got this. Nachos. Hey. Cheers, man. Mac and cheese. Wings. So dessert, it's almost finished. This is our buffet for 4th of July. So yeah, it's all our dessert for tonight. Well, I take this video like almost. This buffet is closed actually. I was so busy in the bar, so I cannot take it right away. So yeah, it's almost done. See, all the guests, this full, by the kids, but now it's like they always like almost done. Hey,
What's up, my man?
yeah.
What's up?
The fireworks start now. This is the moonlight. These are fireworks right now. Yan. We're closing right now. The event is finished. The July 4th is finished. Eh? Everybody's running, including that woman, Amanda, and Gopi. So everybody's running to go home now. And we are still cleaning the bar and closing. So again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Naked Mixology, and my YouTube channel again. And then my Facebook page, Naked Mixology, and my IG. Thank you for watching my video all the time. Anyway, see, I'm just like, because these guys like closing, everybody's closing. Hey, look at that, that's great. Happy 4th of July. Okay, I got some bling, I got this glasses, because gave it to me. Good glasses, all right. So now it's so quiet, everybody's gone. It's good, all good. Have a good night. I'll see you next time.